How are
Okay,
you?
okay. I'm good. What about you? Last time we just got
I'm
disconnected.
fine.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, exactly. Something happened. There was network glitch or something. I tried to reconnect, but
Okay,
that was not happening. Yeah.
okay,
And I
okay.
thought I am again messing up this time also. So I'm so sorry.
No, not at all. But tell me, have you got Ganpati at home?
No, not Ganpati at home. The Teej thing. Yesterday there was a Haritalika Teej, right?
Okay, yes.
So I was busy in that puja.
Mm-hmm.
We don't actually, what should I say? We don't have Ganpati at home actually, but
Okay,
we do normal puja.
okay. And what do you do
Yeah.
in Hartalika?
Haritalika,
Haritalika.
yeah,
What do you do in that and why
yeah.
do we celebrate that?
That is, I think, fasting. What I got to know is to get a good life partner only.
Oh,
I don't know.
wow. That's great. So when are you getting
Yeah,
one?
I don't know. Let's see when will I get one. But I'm just fasting and hoping that I'll get good one. Anyways, I know
Okay.
that I'll get good one. But again, like these
Yes,
are
of course.
rituals.
Okay. So tell me that
Yes.
what kind of a life partner you would go for?
Okay. The person should be good. I mean, good in the sense that loyal, understanding, and he should be, you know, calm enough to listen to me because I think I speak a lot and I really need someone who can hear me out. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, hear me out and understand like whatever I'm speaking. He should
Okay.
not be like,
Mm-hmm.
oh, stop it now, you speak a lot. He should not be like that.
Mm-hmm.
He should have that
Okay.
patience because I have
Okay.
lack of patience. So yeah, maybe
Okay.
opposite contrast I would love.
Yes. So
Opposite, yeah,
it should
he
be a
should be opposite.
balance. It should be a balance actually.
Exactly, yeah. It
Okay.
should be a
Okay.
balance. Yeah,
And
yeah.
should he be in Nagpur only or you're okay to relocate?
No, I'm okay to relocate. Anyways, I like traveling, so I
Okay.
think it is not required to be in Nagpur. But
Mm-hmm.
again, if he is from Nagpur, then that would be also a good thing because
Mm-hmm.
I can stay close to my parents and I can
Mm-hmm.
take care of them since I
Okay.
have no like a brother or someone who can take care
So
of my
you see,
parents.
as I
So
don't
I
have any
think
other sibling, I would like to
sibling. No,
be
I have
around.
sibling, but
Okay, you have a sibling.
yeah,
Okay,
I
sorry.
have sibling, but she's a sister. She's
Okay,
married already.
okay,
So now I think I have to take care of them. So if he's from Nagpur, then that
okay,
would be like cherry on cake. Yeah.
okay. And what about, would you like to go in for the arranged marriage or would you like to go in for the love marriage?
It depends. I personally like love marriage a lot because I
Mhm.
think if there is a love marriage, the understanding is like good. And if there is a arranged marriage, I think we take a lot of time to understand each other and then we start our life or we
Mhm.
start communicating and all. But I think there is a pros and cons for both the things. If there is a
Yes.
love marriage, I think the excitement would be little less. And if there is arranged marriage, I think there is a lot of excitement, getting to know each other, getting to know
Yes.
his
Yes.
family. And like this arranged
Yes.
marriage is quite challenging for me. I think I would be okay with both
Okay.
the marriages.
Both the
Yeah.
marriages. But arranged marriage, what happens is
Yes.
generally your parents would be looking for the partner and then they would be seeing the family and the family background and everything. And in the love marriage, it would be your sole responsibility because you should be knowing the
Yes.
boy and the family. So that is where the equation will be tricky sometimes, and sometimes it would be smooth sailing. So that is what
Yeah,
is.
exactly.
Yes, yes.
I
Okay.
personally like love marriage a lot,
Mm-hmm.
but let's see what will
And
happen.
what do you have to say about the dating apps which we have?
Okay, like what was that? Tinder
Dating
and
app
all, right?
is, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, okay. I think lately we were discussing about the dating apps, and
Mm-hmm.
we were sitting colleagues in office, and we were like, we are not using this app in Nagpur
Mhm.
because people are like not that aware about these dating apps. Because
Mhm.
one of my friend has downloaded that app and he was trying to reach out to
Mhm.
someone, but again he was getting people from other cities like Pune,
Okay.
Mumbai, and
Mhm.
Delhi.
Mhm.
So in
Mhm.
Nagpur, it is not that well
I mean,
used, or
people
it
are
is
not,
not that.
yeah, it is,
Uh,
people are not using so much, and you are not getting the good, a partner. I won't call that as a partner, but someone on the other side, you're not getting that exciting offers or exciting people on the other side. Yes,
Exactly,
could be.
because I think
Could
when
be.
you're using dating app, you would definitely look for someone who is near to you. You can
Mhm.
meet them, you can hang out with them, you can spend
Yes,
time with them.
yes,
So
yes.
I think, yeah, but here in Nagpur, I don't think there is an option. And anyways, uh, I don't feel confident, or I don't feel good about dating apps. I
Or
think
you will
it
not
is
be
it's quite
comfortable using that. You will not be comfortable using that.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
That is
I
what,
think there are a
yeah.
lot of people around you. First, find out among them, because of course everyone has people around them, right? But we just ignore them, or we just underestimate them, and we directly jump on dating apps. So I think
Mhm.
on dating apps also you will get the same people. It's just that you need to find out. But again, I feel it's quite risky, and you need a lot of time to use that app and to talk to people, and
Yes.
then fix the date, go on date, a lot of things. So I don't use it personally, and
Good.
I will not recommend that
Okay.
app.
Yeah.
But again, sometimes it's good. Sometimes the apps, what should I say?
That helps. Sometimes it helps, but
Yeah,
then most of the time you
sometimes it
really are,
helps.
yeah, really sometimes you like to keep yourself away from all these things so that you are not actually at a risk anywhere, somewhere. Today, your
Yeah.
topic also was very interesting, but we don't have time to discuss that. So maybe it was
What
all
was the topic?
it was unconventional job profiles which we have it in the market. That is
Okay.
not very common, very uncommon jobs in the market, which people are generally not aware of them, and they are good to talk to, and you would really enjoy that session if you can go through it next time, maybe sometime next
Yeah,
time,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
so
definitely,
we can talk
definitely.
about
Yeah,
it.
I
Yes.
will go through that session documents also, that I'll understand the like
Yes,
topic better.
it was quite
And
interesting. And they have all different job profiles listed there, and you can just Google it on and find out about it. But do you know any? We still have a minute, so we can just to start the. Do you know any unconventional job profiles which you have heard of? Different job profiles.
unconventional
It is,
job, yeah, which is not very common, right?
yes, right, absolutely right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I think one of the job profiles is like relationship manager.
Okay.
This is not quite common, but that plays a
Mhm.
very important role. I
Okay.
think because that helps to maintain the balance between the client and the customer. So
Mhm.
I feel it's really interesting. Though
Okay.
it's somewhere in some job profiles, but it's not
Mhm.
everywhere, and people are still not aware that how important this job is. But I
Yes.
think that is
Okay.
one of them,
Mhm.
and
Now
the
they have it
second
in the
one,
private banks. They have it in the private banks.
yeah,
All the
especially
private
in.
banks
But
they have.
again,
Yes.
yeah, but again, it is not very common because
Yeah.
everyone people still have that mentality that I want to connect to client directly. I don't want to speak with the person who is at the middle or who is a mediator. So
Yeah.
yeah, that thing is still there. But
Mhm.
yes, I think that is a very convincing job, and
Mhm.
yeah, some people are very good at it. They can impress you so well. So yes,
Yes.
I got an opportunity to talk to one of the relationship manager, and
Okay.
yeah, that was a very good experience. I think they are
Okay.
very well spoken, and they have that things to convince people. So yes, I
And
like
they
that one a
also
lot.
know what their job is and whatever they are carrying with them. So that should be more convincing so that the client also is happy and even their office is also happy with it. So Arushi will
Yes,
have to
yes,
say bye
exactly.
now and all the best
Yeah,
and take care. and happy
Thank you
Ganesh
so much.
Chaturthi to you all.
Wish you the
And to
same,
your
and I hope
family
to
also.
see